Hi, welcome to this video of Success Resources Ventures. Have you noticed 4 years ago, all the Bollywood and Hollywood actor and actresses that did not want you to go on Instagram, and now they're using TikTok actively like anything. TikTok is really growing faster than many other platforms these days. Striking a platform while it is hot matters way more than if that platform exists in a decade. I repeat, striking a platform while it is hot matters way more than if that platform exists over a decade. And I see people will benefit using TikTok marketing for their business to grow. And therefore, I'm so excited to say that Success Resources Ventures have designed a TikTok marketing training program that they are offering to the people so that they can really take advantage of that. And we are not going to charge thousands of pounds for this or 500 pounds for this. It's completely free just to help people out. We want to help people as much as possible. So we are giving during this lockdown time a special, just completely free TikTok marketing training to everyone. We'll be publishing one video every day so you can just watch, implement that. All you have to do is just subscribe, like, share and comment, and just share it with your loved ones. Let everybody else take advantage of this opportunity and just grow your business. From time to time, we'll be offering this type of training program, a lot of other offers and the valuable videos. So please do subscribe so you don't miss out to any of the other offers and the trainings online. So I hope you will enjoy this training. So stay safe. I love you all.